Welcome back to my channel. If you've ever wanted to convert any song into an editable MIDI file, then today's AI tool is going to impress you. MIDI doesn't contain actual audio. Instead, it stores musical information like notes, pitch, timing, velocity, and instrument data. This allows you to edit every note, change instruments, modify the tempo, and use the music in your own productions. The tool we'll be using today is called MuScriptor. It's a powerful open-source AI that can accurately transcribe real-world music into MIDI, even when multiple instruments are playing at the same time. Listen to this. This is the actual song. I can't play it because of copyright issues. And this is instrumental. I choose instruments to play this. Amazing, right? You can play a song into piano or violin using this tool, and that will be totally royalty-free. In this video, I'll show you how to install MuScriptor locally on your PC, download the required AI models, fix common installation errors if they appear, and finally test it by converting a real audio file into a MIDI file. If you're a music producer, composer, musician, or an AI enthusiast, this tutorial is definitely worth watching. So without wasting any more time, let's get started and install MuScriptor locally on your computer. Click on GitHub link in my description to go to main page of MuScriptor. You can read documentations and other details you need from there. There are 3 models. Small can work on simple CPU. Medium need 4 to 6 gigabits VRAM and large need 12 plus VRAM. This video mainly focus on medium model. To install you need CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8. Node.js, Visual Studio, FFmpeg. Git for Windows, Python 3.10.11 only. Once you got everything ready on main page, click on Code option and copy Git code. Now go to drive or folder you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command window will open. Type git clone and paste code you copied to clone this. Now type cd and go inside cloned folder, copy its path and paste in command window. Create venv using Python 3.10. Activate venv with activation code. Before installing PyTorch, confirm what CUDA version you got installed. Now go to main page of PyTorch to install PyTorch for your CUDA version. If you don't see your CUDA version, just copy any code and paste in command window. Change CUDA version to yours and add Torch audio before installing. After PyTorch installed, upgrade setup tools and update pip. Now run this code, it will install requirements. Once requirements installed, you need to install Node.js. Go to download page of Node.js and download its installer, then install it. It's very easy. Once you install it, go back to command window. Now go to main folder. There is web folder. Copy its path. Type cd and paste its path. Now run npm install command. Now npm run build. Now cd double dots. Now install Gradio. Once Gradio installed, run Hugging Face auth command. You need to put Hugging Face token here. First, go to this media model URL and ask for permission. Once you get permission, go to your Hugging Face account and access token. Create new token, name it anything. Give full permission, then create token. Copy token and paste in command window. Copy and paste URL it gave you in same browser you made token in. From command window, copy token and paste in here and approve. That's it. Now go to command window and run main code. This will download models and give you a local URL. Copy URL and paste in any browser to launch MuScriptor. To run this again after closing, go to main folder and create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now you can run this anytime double-clicking this file. To use MuScriptor upload audio file, it can be song. Choose instruments you want to make MIDI in. There list of instruments you can choose from. I am just going to choose one and click transcribe. This was original music. And this is just drums. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future AI tool tutorials. If you run into any installation issues or have questions about MuScriptor, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out.